Introducing Culinary-EXC Tours in partnership with Food and Wine magazine. Join us as we explore food, wine, and culture in some of the world's most renowned gastronomic hotspots, with one-of-a-kind in-depth excursions that take you beyond the familiar and deliver to you the extraordinary. Experience the colors and flavors of the Mediterranean at La Boqueria, the world-famous market pulsing with life in the heart of Barcelona. Shop the hundreds of vendors, and then turn your ingredients into a spectacular feast in a hands-on workshop. Discover the secret to Danish comfort in Copenhagen, where you'll learn the art of making smørrebrød, perfectly crafted sandwiches made from traditional toppings and seasonal ingredients. The ultimate meal to experience the Danish concept of hygge, or coziness. Or enjoy simplicity in its most authentic state. Ride with a Maine lobsterman to the source of the most luxurious crustacean on Earth, the exquisite New England lobster. And then sample the fruits of Bar Harbor at a classic Down East lobster bake. Mussels, corn on the cob, blueberry pie, and of course, lobster. Classic tastes in a quintessentially New England setting. These and other immersive journeys are yours for the taking on select cruises. Journeys in flavor, in color, in spirit, in depth. So join us for a Culinary-EXC Tour in partnership with Food and Wine magazine and experience a taste of adventure. For more information, contact your travel professional or visit hollandamerica.com/food and wine tours.